Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be talking progress or lack of it, and we're also going to be talking project cars. Let's go and take a look.
Are you listening? Damn.
So as I say, guys, it's been a couple of weeks now, unfortunately. You know, I like to bring you something every week, but we're still waiting for that flywheel. But we have made a small amount of progress and we've done a few bits and bobs, so I'll keep you up to speed and keep you in the loop. Let's go and take a look. Ignore the bicycle bits everywhere. I literally have got so bored that I've taken my bike apart. But it's been good fun. It's been something to do just to keep me ticking over. Now then, Dynamo has been fitted. That one's all wired up, got the correct bolts there. And also the bracket that goes into the block. 3, if not all of these, are holes, threaded holes that go down into the coolant pockets of the block. So make sure you use a form of sealer on those bolts, because if you don't and you get water coming up through when you turn the key for the first time, it will ruin your day. Also, there's been a lot of talk of the original adjuster straps on the Dynamo breaking and also causing damage to the front plates on the car. So we've gone for a nylon adjuster strap. It seems a little bit flimsy to me, but it's meant to be up to spec and up to being good, so hopefully that should not break on us. Also, fan belt tension, as per the handbook, we're looking for an inch of lateral movement. Initially I tightened it up as you would have done back in the day, you know, with half an inch of play along the longest length of the belt. But as per the manual, this may be helpful to somebody, we're looking for an inch, so ½ inch either side, of lateral play down there. Now what else have we been doing? Working our way round. All as you've seen before, we've also fitted our Le Mans modification kit plaque to the airbox. I've seen a lot of these plaques being fitted this way round, that way round. I have been told, reliably informed, it gets fitted like this, with the 100 facing away, and also it lines up with the lettering that we've got on the rocker cover, and I think it looks quite nice. But if you know different, guys, please tell us. Please tell us differently if you know differently. Working our way round, as you know, our battery's installed, that's all ready to go. Our isolator has been fitted down in there. I've just put that on a little quarter bolt on one of the original threaded holes, so again, removable if required. Made a little tab to mount our brake line because we were meaning to make a tab a while ago, but that's already been done. And down where we're waiting for our flywheel. What a pain. Now then, as you can see, it gives you a little chance to look at our oil seal conversion on the back of the block as well. Now there is machining required for this kit, but I've been led to believe that the original ones will leak if you leave the car on an incline, or just leak in general, so we've gone for that. And also, one little quick thing that we've had mentioned to us, the ring of bolts round the flywheel, 2 of them are very specific dowel bolts. They're at number 1 just here and number 7 down here. I don't know if you can see on the video, but that hole is slightly bigger than that hole. Now that means you have 2 very specific and of course austinhealey very expensive 3/8 dowel bolts. Now these are very important. Thank you to the lovely man on eBay, was it Sean? I think it was Sean that pointed that out to us, so that will help us a lot as well. But that's what it is, guys. That's all we've got up to. I look at the calendar the other day. It's 3.5 weeks we've been waiting for the machining work to be done on our flywheel. And like I say, we can't put the dashboard in because that'll get in the way of fitting the box. We can't get the engine running because we've got no flywheel, we've got no box. Everything's on hold and it's getting very frustrating. Now I thought I need to bring you something to show you that this is the way it goes. We've been very lucky with preempting things and ordering this and that and trying to keep things as free flowing as possible, but these things happen. We're now waiting, where are we at now? Sunday, so hopefully by Wednesday we're going to be into getting our flywheel back That will go on the car, and then the next time you see us, fingers crossed, we'll be doing fitting the clutch part 2 and the flywheel, then the gearbox, and on and on and on. Now I said we're going to talk about project cars. Now last week, or was it the week before, I talked about a project car that I was going to be doing myself when the Healey goes away for paint. I believe I said it was mid-engined. The engine is iconic, it's JDM, and it's about as old as Lee Gammon. So it's still an old car, but it's a very cool car. And if you haven't guessed it already, it was a Mark I Toyota MR2. Now, in the space of a couple of weeks, probably due to my extreme boredom and my impulsiveness, I bought something else. Now, I won't give it away, but I will tell you that it's German, mid-80s, big stonking V8, and it's a pillarless coupe. You do the maths, see if you can work it out, drop us a comment, let us know what you think that project car is going to be. I'm picking it up tonight, and I will be doing a video on it soon, and I think, not including the Austin Healey, I think it's the coolest car I've ever bought, and I'm really excited to do this one. I'll probably do a little bit of work to it when the Healey goes away for paint, because that'll give us again that small window of time, and then I'm going to put it on the road and I'm going to use it and I'm going to enjoy it, and fingers crossed it'll be a really cool car. But as I say, video coming on that one soon as possible when we get the time. I'll leave you with it for now, guys. Have a wonderful week, and hopefully you'll be seeing us next Sunday if all goes to plan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from us, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful week, and we will see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.